This is the highest point in West Virginia. It's called Spruce Knob. And you're supposed to be able to see 3 states, I believe, from this location. I'm standing on the observation platform. Gets you up close to the tops of the trees here. A lot of the trees to my right and left are higher than the view, so the rest of it's trees that way. And unfortunately to the left as well, but you get the idea. Very pretty. It's about a 20-minute drive to the top here from Route 33. It's like a lane and a half at times, very windy, very steep. See ya.